Ever pondered on the benefits of niacin, also known as vitamin B3? This humble nutrient is a silent powerhouse, involved in over 400 biochemical reactions within our bodies. Far from being a simple micronutrient, niacin is an essential player in some of the body's most critical processes. From energy production to cell signaling, from DNA repair to its role as an antioxidant, niacin wears many hats and wears them well. Its benefits extend to various aspects of our health, proving once again that sometimes the smallest things make the biggest difference. So, let's embark on this fascinating journey to unravel the intrigue that surrounds niacin. Stay tuned as we delve into the multiple benefits of niacin. Did you know niacin could be a game changer for your cholesterol levels? Well, it's true. Niacin, or vitamin B3 as it is also known, plays a crucial role in managing your blood fat levels. Here's how. Our body has two types of cholesterol: the good high-density lipoprotein, or HDL, and the bad low-density lipoprotein, or LDL. Niacin works like a charm in improving these levels. It boosts the levels of good HDL cholesterol, which helps remove the bad LDL cholesterol from your bloodstream. This process is vital in maintaining the balance of cholesterol in your body. But that's not all. Niacin also aids in lowering levels of triglycerides. These are a type of fat found in your blood that your body uses for energy. However, high levels of triglycerides can increase the risk of heart disease. So, in a nutshell, niacin is a key player in managing your blood fat levels, helping maintain a healthy balance of cholesterol and reducing the risk of heart-related issues. But remember, as with any supplement, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting a regimen. Next, we're going to look at how niacin may help in managing blood pressure. Imagine a nutrient that helps widen your blood vessels. That's niacin for you. This remarkable vitamin, also known as B3, plays a significant role in our circulatory system. It works by releasing certain chemicals that aid in the dilation of blood vessels. This process, known as vasodilation, is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Now, why is this important, you ask? Well, when blood vessels widen, it allows for a smoother, more efficient flow of blood throughout the body. This reduces the overall pressure within the vessels, effectively lowering high blood pressure. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who are at risk of hypertension, a condition that can lead to a variety of health complications if left unmanaged. However, it's worth noting that while niacin's role in blood pressure management is promising, it should not be considered a standalone treatment for hypertension. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice regarding your health. Coming up, we explore how niacin might be beneficial for those with type 1 diabetes. Could niacin be a secret weapon in the fight against type 1 diabetes? Let's find out. This vitamin, also known as B3, plays a critical role in our body's biochemical reactions, and guess what? It may have a significant impact on type 1 diabetes too. Studies suggest that niacin might have protective properties for our cells. Now, why is that important for type 1 diabetes, you might ask? Well, this disease is characterized by the body's immune system mistakenly attacking the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. If niacin can protect these cells from harm, it could potentially lower the risk of developing type 1 diabetes. This is crucial because managing type 1 diabetes isn't just about controlling blood sugar levels. It's also about safeguarding the health of the insulin-producing cells. And that's where niacin might come into play. It's fascinating, isn't it? How a simple vitamin might hold the key to such a complex health issue. But remember, while the findings are promising, more research is needed to fully understand niacin's role in type 1 diabetes management. But that's not all. Niacin has potential benefits for our brain function too. Give your brain a boost with niacin. This essential nutrient, also known as vitamin B3, is not just a name on the back of your cereal box. It's a vital player in the energy production of your body, particularly your brain. It's like the spark plug in the engine of your brain, igniting the fuel for over 400 biochemical reactions. Without niacin, your brain wouldn't have the energy it needs to function properly. But that's not all. Niacin also plays a crucial role in cell signaling and DNA repair. Think of it as the conductor of the brain's orchestra, ensuring that all the different parts work in harmony. It orchestrates the communication between cells and mends any damage in your brain's genetic blueprint. Moreover, niacin acts as an antioxidant, protecting your brain from the damaging effects of free radicals. It's like a superhero, warding off villains that threaten the peace and health of your brain. And did you know this versatile nutrient can improve skin health? Stay with us to learn more. Niacin, your skin's new best friend. Let's dive into how this vitamin B3, also known as niacin, plays a pivotal role in maintaining our skin's health. Niacin is a diligent defender of our skin cells against sun damage. Yes, that's right. It helps create a barrier that protects our skin from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun, and by doing so, it aids in the prevention of premature aging, sunburn, and various skin conditions. But niacin doesn't just stop at sun protection, it also plays a key role in the prevention of certain types of skin cancer. By repairing damaged DNA and promoting the growth of healthy skin cells, niacin helps hinder the growth and spread of cancerous cells. Moreover, niacin's ability to improve blood circulation also contributes to a healthier skin complexion. It ensures that our skin cells receive adequate nutrients and oxygen, resulting in a more vibrant, youthful, and glowing skin. As we wrap up, remember, niacin is not without its cautions. It's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new vitamin regimen, especially if you're considering high-dose niacin supplements. In the end, moderation and professional advice are key to harnessing the skin health benefits of niacin effectively and safely. Before you rush to the store for niacin supplements, heed this advice. As beneficial as niacin may be, it's not without its potential drawbacks. If taken in large doses, niacin can cause serious side effects. These can range from the uncomfortable, such as the infamous niacin flush, to the potentially dangerous, like liver toxicity. Let's not forget, we're talking about a nutrient that plays a role in over 400 biochemical reactions in the body. It's not something to be casually tossed into your daily routine without careful consideration. Don't be swayed by the allure of quick health fixes. It's vital to consult a healthcare professional before starting any niacin supplementation. They can guide you to the right dosage and ensure it won't adversely interact with any other medications you may be taking. And bear in mind, niacin is not for everyone. Those with certain medical conditions such as liver disease and peptic ulcers should steer clear of niacin supplements. It's a potent reminder that what works for one person's health may not work, and could even be harmful for another. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to niacin intake. Stay healthy.